Get rid of my wig, but I think I will take care of these since tomorrow is garbage and cleaning day, so need to clean also this corner and this corner. So let's get this going and then I read my book. Okay, I got the top. I'm leaving where they are, the tomatoes. What I was watching in that gardener shows, it said to eliminate the extra stuff and let the tomatoes grow and get the most of the sun. Oh, look at this. Oh, let's take these cherries. What joy of them. I didn't plant too many cherry tomatoes. The next year is when I will have more. Let's see. Oh, it's good, this one. Oh no, I will have to wash. And also I clean here, that it was not nice. Okay. Let's see. Delicious. Not so sweet. Okay. Let me. Okay, all that I was planning for today is done. Oh, look at my kale. My kale is growing huge and beautiful. And here I have a mix that I have to double check because I have carrots, more of everything. I need to check. Look, this is huge. The carrots here are almost ready to pull. I will leave a few more days and then I pull. I think I have more to do. Preserves. I got white vinegar yesterday, so I will see how much I can do. And these are my Italian plums. I'm following instructions from that they gave on gardener's word, so we will see if they get root. Okay, and everything else clean. Look at those tomatoes. Okay, let's go to get the laundry and up.
seam down to the hem, not the hem because we've got to attach the skirt down to the waistline, and then I tried it on before attaching the front facing, and it felt a little bit tight, especially on the sleeve. Now for the skirt panels, you've got two back panels, and then it's kind of like five front. You then take the
He wouldn't eat that. I wouldn't do that with him.
I know.
A little too warm for him.
Is that the book things? Is one of the book things? Yeah, I have.
That's your yearly monthly package.
Yeah, I have one more that will come the next
She was
month.
looking at me when I went up the door.
And it's over. Hello, today is Sunday. I came back from Mass and I went to get some goodies to have like a nice charcuterie of cheese and some salami, and I got also nice bread, and that was my lunch. And I also found this alfajores that is pretty traditional in my country, but I was surprised to find these. The flavor is just okay. I'm surprised about them, but I tried. I like it. I will be doing mine in some point. This is for today. The Mass today was really nice. It was related to marriage. Oh, my battery. Okay, I was saying that one of the reading was about the marriage and about wife and husband and how you put God first, then your husband or your wife, and then your kids. It's something interesting that I also it's interesting too, because I just saw that on one of the YouTube videos yesterday. So this is my pamphlet. Oh, I will make a comment. I hope it doesn't offend anybody, but it was hard to listen today what was going on in church, because in front of me I have a line of a family with, I think we're 6 kids, very small kids, and it was very loud, the crying and everything. So a lot of the mass I didn't hear very well. I was praying for the family because I can imagine how hard it is for them to go to mass with kids, and some people understand and some people doesn't understand. I watched another video of a priest saying that what was his opinion about this, and he say tolerance, because if you make something for that family to don't go more to church, you're not only missing the couple, you're going to miss future Catholics going to church that are the kids. They're growing in that church, and you want that they keep going, and it will happen. They will grow up and everything. But talking about noise, I don't know what is that. Okay, I don't know if you can hear from my neighbor. Anyway, this is the pamphlet or bulletin from my church this day. The confessions, the adoration. I have never gone to adoration, and one day I will go. We'll try something new. They are talking about altar service opportunity for kids to join, giving thanks for anybody that registered for the ministry in 2024 for 2025 for catechesis. The garden, the hours for garden for volunteers is changing. Highlights: Monday, September 2nd, Labor Day, it will be closed. Tuesday, September 3rd, first day of school. Prayers for all the students, teachers, and all the embark to another year. Okay, September 14, 15, St. Michael Ministry Fair after masses, after all the masses. Learning about all the ministers, apostolates, and small groups. Okay, I like that. It's a nice fair. Here is the prayers that I will cut and put for tomorrow. And what else is going on? I like that they are taking marriage, very important part of paying a lot of attention to this. I like that. And I like this Mass for Suicide, Healing, and Remembrance. Oh, this time it's like so many kids having mental problems and suicide thoughts. It's so sad. Then they have the men's ministry Thursday morning trivia tab with Father Justin Ryan, Thursday, September 26th, and St. Michael Ministry Fair, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, let's cut these. Okay, we got that I will do my Bible reading, and I think after that I will just finish this video. I will make it very simple. I'm not trying to make a long video. I think I was going to share some books that I bought. I was going to share some my last subscription box, but I think we will leave that for a separate video, because I noticed that these weekly videos are being way too long and it doesn't have a lot of people watching them. So I will just record some stuff and then do other videos maybe, or try to do something more interesting. If you've been watching these videos, I really appreciate. Thank you so much. And I know there are not a lot of amazing things, but thank you for sharing part of my life with you and to leave comments. I really appreciate that. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Have a good day.